conscious to do all those things to survive the descent. You don't know if you're going to have a heart attack. You don't know yourself. I know myself. I'm not fucking going up there. Okay? It's as simple as that. So I conquer my fear by avoiding that situation. The way you conquer your fear about trading is you condition yourself to find the atmosphere, the conditions, the profile in the marketplace, not market profile in the sense of volume bars turn sideways, vertically on your chart and have all that bullshit on there. I'm talking about profile in sense like a schematic, like how the market will behave. Whatever that is for you. For some of you, it might be as simple as I want to do a classic ICT buy day where you're waiting for the opening. You want to wait for a Judas swing to drop down, maybe going into take sell side liquidity out on a lower time frame, or trade into a buy side and balance, sell side efficiency, fair value gap. And then you're buying that with the expectation you're going to hold it for the entire range, and you'll get out in the last hour of trading. And you're going to wait for instances where that can manifest itself in price. It won't be every day, but you're okay with that because you're not out there trying to impress everybody that's day trading as you being an everyday trader, which rolls us into greed. Greed stems from the lack of trust in yourself and or your model. Wait a minute, how can that be? If you're greedy and you're saying that I'm greedy because I have a lack of trust in myself and or my model, how can I be greedy? Because you want a lottery mindset. You think that this stuff works, yes, but it just might be the day that you go in there and try to do it. It might cause you losing money. It may cause you losing peace of mind. It may cause self-doubt, and you may blow the account. And you'll hear people out there that never show you that they make money. They'll tell you, you got to push your edge. When you're making money, you got to push your edge. Keep going in. Keep going. No. I teach plateaus. What is more likely for you to succeed? From the bottom of a mountain slope, if it was a completely smooth 45-degree angle up to the peak of it, you're brand new. It's the first time you've been there. What's more likely and sustainable for you to start running at the fastest pace that you have and can do, and start to run from the base of the mountain in a 45-degree slope all the way up to the top? You're at the zenith of it. You're at the very pinnacle at the top. You're at the highest point now. Can you sustain that highest fast pace in that? Chances are no. Think about when people ride the uncertainty roller coaster with going up the Mount Everest. Nobody goes up there in a straight shot. They go up for a little while and they level out for a little while, and they have to allow their body to do what? Get accustomed to that new height. Lower oxygen. It's a whole process. So when you're climbing your equity curve and you're getting in, you're trying to find profitability and consistently profitable, each day, in the beginning, you think, I want to make this much money every single day, this percentage every single day. And when I'm winning and the market's still running, don't go back in thinking, I got to get some more out of that. Your model says, be done. You don't trust it. You think if you don't push my edge, get in there and do as much as I possibly can because the market's really running, you're losing sight. And you're pushing your entire career into one trading day. That's greed. That's the only reason why that happens. Greed. You think that you're going to make so much more in that one moment in time. You're thinking to yourself, this is the one that puts me over. You're fucking trading with nano lots. You're trading with micro lots. You're trading with one mini. Your life isn't changing. Okay? You're not retiring. You'll still see Carl tomorrow. Don't let this stuff mess with your head, thinking that you have to do something over leveraged, over trading, doing more than what's necessary. Your model says, take the trade when it gets to your target, be done, be content, close the charts, and then refer back to it at a later time when you wouldn't be trading it. If you can't do that, you don't trust yourself. And if you're thinking that way, you shouldn't trust yourself. You have to physically remove yourself from the markets. Leave. Don't be around. Don't have the app on your chart. I'm sorry, on your phone. Don't do it. Or you don't trust your model. People are greedy because they think that their model is only working right then and there. So let's maximize it, because it might not work in the future. It might stop working. I might not be able to find the same fucking setup that repeats every fucking day, every single week. I might get amnesia and forget that this shit doesn't fucking actually occur every single fucking day. Sounds silly when it's said like that, but that's exactly what you're doing. You're forgetting the fact that this stuff repeats. You're forgetting the fact that these things occur at a specific time of the day, specific days of the fucking week. All these things are repeating phenomenon. They're not random. These are things that absolutely are coded. They're there because they're supposed to be there. They are set on a schedule. They're going to fucking happen. It doesn't matter how many fucking people are buying it or selling it on Reddit. They're not going to make the market do any fucking thing. They're going to fall victim. AMC. Perfect fucking example. But when that herd mentality, we're going to put the shit into the marketplace and fucking shaft these market makers, these billionaire hedge fund managers. We're going to bankrupt it. They're fucking laughing at you. This is their game. This is their casino. You're not going in there changing shit. You're not changing nothing. You have to play by the fucking rules. And I'm showing you what the rules are. Some of you are kicking and screaming, saying, I'm not going to do it. Okay, don't comply. Fail. But don't fucking cry and bitch and say, my stuff doesn't work or nobody makes money. Because look around. We're all here. We're raising our hands saying, how you doing? How you doing? How are you doing? I'm doing fucking great. How are you doing? Are you wrestling still? Take stock in what I'm saying here today, folks. I promise you, one of these things you're stuck on. And that's it. That's the thing. It's you. Every single one of these things I've talked about, these four central tenets that keeps you from trusting and knowing that your model will deliver, it's all you. You. It was me. It will be the person that you see come up in the marketplace next, your buddy, your friend, your coworker, your relative that says, hey, I want to do what you're doing once you find consistently profitable trading. And they'll have these same things that they have to work through. And generally, they're in this order: impatience, impulsiveness, fear, greed. See, greed, you don't really necessarily feel greed in the beginning because you don't know if it can work or not. I don't think that the initial interest in trading and trying to make money is greed. That's just morbid curiosity, because we're not really like average people to be willing to put ourselves through this kind of shit, which is a testimony to a great deal of people that say, traders are weak-minded people. They're not. Even the people that are consistently losing, think about it. Think about what they're doing. If they're willing to keep resetting their account, they're willing to put more money into a trading account. Is that a weak person? Fuck no, that's not weak. That's somebody that's fucking determined. They're just misinformed. They have no idea how to control themselves and or find a model. If you give them control over themselves, coping skills to help them realize that they are the problem, and you give them a sound model, they will whip the shit out of you because they have the tenacity that's necessary in this business. This industry is a vampire. It many times sucks the lifeblood out of everyone. They don't want to do it anymore. I don't want to do it. I had members in my mentorship that paid me. Never listened to me. Never proved that they were doing anything. Never fucking used the insight about what I was saying about the marketplace. The euro was going to go here. The British pound was going to go here. The dollar was going to go here. It's going to keep going down until it goes here. That's what I do when I do reviews. I'm pointing to a higher time frame daily chart and submit to it. And then I'll show examples of what I did or what other people have done in the community. And they did something completely opposite. They blow their account and they